have any more cool bags to check it for you. Alright, I'll go back here.
Hello.
Isukuhan niya sa iyong senior manager.
Welcome back! Ang daming pinagdaanan. Yes.
Mag-order ta gramen. Wala, diretso lang tas balay. Nagpunta pa ako.
Ingon ko ganina mo lang lahat.
Wala gid kakatunog mga.
Balik ko.
Wala gid kakatunog mga. Karon na tama sa airport man.
Maghapon ma.
Katol man eh.
It's already snowed in South Island as well. Oh, there's a drought every area. It's already snowed. So that's
Welcome
why
back.
it's cold winds.
Ay, ang ganda din.
There's so much flooding
Ah.
in Island Bay and Newtown.
Yeah, a lot of
Wala din daw
houses
to,
and
eh.
cars and drones. It's alright today.
Mabahan mo diri mo.
The flooding seems to be settled down. Yeah, the car park in Lawrence and the hospital. What is it?
No, it's just
Lili no. Limpyo ko tong sa semana sa CR ba.
I think it's clear.
Abagan na ko bat ang grabs kita.
The damage is in Lower Hutt side. Yeah, Lower Hutt, Vainamata.
Picture.
They're trying to recover what they lost yesterday, I guess.
Yeah.
With your lipstick.
Yeah, my workplace, everything's flooded.
Nanugid na ko na as kabibot. Kau mulaag pod.
So bad, man. The wind.
Oh, the wind is crazy.
It's quite big. The plate is a bit
Napitaw
smaller.
hilabang na.
It's quite like cramped on the headroom because of the aerodynamic. They gotta.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Never been in that one.
The Model Y is a bit of a like a.
Ang bulad.
Ay!
Ang bulad nakaabot gig New Zealand. Mo pa'y nagpadugay sa security.
Moy!
na tanan, wag lang bulad.
Mo di
Di ba mas magandang nakaganyan na?
Di man mauning bulara kung gipangita.
Ako anang gusto.
Mo ni. Di na lang ni siya ukbon-tanan kay
Madwa kilo na man.
Gani?
Yun no. Woo!
Danggit.
Gani.
Ang sapsap ligi niya. Naamay gana-ana ma usa niya.
Akong nokos.
Ana Stelia ay nala nagdala ay basin maura na yung makuha nimo.
Kaling.
Kaling. Kani matabaang kayo na man nami.
Yun no. Akong creams.
Salang ganing
Ma
bata.
sabi ni sus ginata gid ni Joshua.
Joshua.